Oras na para magpaulan ng kagandahang mas makinang pa sa mga tala.
Love our own and heal our own skin. Kaya nga, beauty that fights and beauty that heals ang motto namin.
Impressive presentation.
Whose product wins, Narine's or Shari's?
I think we should do a poll on who will collaborate with Tara Park. And the winner will be chosen by Tara Park herself.
Ang ibig sabihin niyo po ba, pupunta kami ng Korea?
So you better get ready and get on that flight.
I had warned him about marrying a woman like you, a mature woman. But no, pinaglabang ka niya dahil mahal ka daw niya. But you know what? I know what will make him really happy. Kung mabibigyan niya ako ng isang apo.
You are unbelievable! Bakit ka nangaliwa sa akin when I failed to give you a baby before? Sa mas bata pa sa akin.
Ano ba bang gusto mong gawin ko?
Don't hurt me again, please.
Never again.
Know your place, Noreen. You are not my rival. Because you're a nobody.
Pero kung talagang nobody ako sa'yo, bakit ka nagkakaganyan? Tatakot ka? Ibig sabihin, naniniwala kang kaya kitang talunin.
They got me so frustrated. Thinking I can't make it. All the efforts that I put out, my ideas just get shut down. It's a shame dahil mananagot kayo. Ganda-gandahan, tuwing oras ng pambagal, ang mundo ko'y kagandahan, baby. Gandahan, ganda, gandahan, ganda, gandahan, gandahan ang puhunan. Ganda-gandahan.
Stop it, Sherry. You have no right to hurt her.
What? You're on her side? Pati ba naman ikaw nauto nitong babaeng to, this manipulative freak? Magsama kayong dalawa.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
By the way, congratulations on your presentation. That was not so bad.
Not so bad. That was good. Thanks again for helping me earlier.
So, are you going home?
Yes,
제가 데려다 줄게요.
고마운데 괜찮아요. 이미 많이 도와줬어요. 더는 신세 지고 싶지 않아요.
I'm not asking for anything in return.
Libre ulit yan, no?
Isa lang 100.
Nagpakilala, oh. Nagpakilala sa isang ano eh.
Di ba may utang isa ito?
Huwag ka nang maingay.
You don't need to do this.
You're not speaking to me in Tagalog. So, which means you're not setting your boundaries right now. Right?
Agoy.
Narain! But you know what? That vexatious, Shih Tzu-looking miniature wannabe me troll is getting into my nerves. I hate her.
Everyone likes Shih Tzus, di ba? That's why everyone likes her. What? You know, Martika?
Kaya kahit 2 years na, 1 million followers pa rin ang meron ka because you're stupid.
Faris, chill. Huwag mong sigawan si Martika kasi hindi siyang kalaban mo dito.
Fine. Sorry.
Okay.
Hindi naman kasi may sisi na mainis ako. Kasi bida-bida yung babae na yun kay Miss Velma. And what's worse, Alex is defending her. And then, magsasama pa kaming tatlo sa Korea. Fun.
Oh my God. A love triangle in Seoul. Winner. I mean, triple trouble in Seoul. Ayun na lang.
Eh, kaya ka ba nagkakaganyan dahil natutrepan ka kay Noreen? Dahil hindi lang si Miss Velma ang inaagaw niya sa'yo. May possibility rin na pati si...
Alex Chang.
Sino bro?
Hello! I'm Janina Bulaklak, but you can call me Jana for short.
Hi, I'm Tisoy.
Hi.
Sino yan? Ang gwapo, at saka ang yummy.
Baka naman marinig ka.
Thank you. I may be guapo, but I don't think I'm yummy. I'm not food. Last time I checked.
Kaibigan ko, tinulungan ako sa presentation kanina eh. Tapos pinilit na ihatid ako. Kaya...
Saan ka nakatira? May valid ID ka ba? Hindi, clearance. Police clearance, meron ka?
Hoy! May kuya na ginagawa mo! Police interrogation ba to? Hindi naman siya kriminal. He is an acquaintance. Na nagmagandang loob na ihatid ako. Period.
Teka, paano ka nakakasiguro mapagkakatiwalaan niya?
Hindi, ang tanong, paano makakasigurado na acquaintance lang?
Uy! Yeah.
I'm not a bad person. Mapagkakatiwalaan ako.
Ang galing. Max, you speak Tagalog?
Konti lang. It's difficult. But I can understand some of the words. I've been living here in the Philippines for almost 9 years already. So I shall claim that may dugong Pinoy na ako.